Howdy do, it's Rod for you. I am Rod from Outback Armour, and today we are going to show you, or I'm going to show you, a run through of our winch kit that we sell as part of our recovery gear. So when you get your winch kit, it comes in a nice sturdy box like this one. When you cut it open, what you will first find is that we've actually taken the time to put in a liner, so that when you are opening it, there's less chance of you actually cutting the bag. Now when you pull it out, one thing you will notice, really sturdy, resistant, water resistant, tear resistant bag. These bags are actually built tough. So when you, nice sturdy zipper, and the first thing you're going to notice is that we have a competition style recovery blanket. Comes with a reflective strip, comes already packaged, ready to go. You get one of our brilliant stubby coolers with all for adventure on it as well. Hook strap, so for the front hook on your winch, helps you pull the hook out a bit better. Some stickers and brochure. You've got our competition style gloves, leather gloves, absolutely brilliant. Now we get into the good stuff. So this satchel here, we actually have our Snatch Block. So this is actually 10-ton rated. It's, as you can see, about half the size of the others on the market. It is actually not held together with a circlip. It is actually bolted together with a greaseable nipple, so you can actually service it and it keeps it nice and tight, and you don't have to worry about the side load that you would with other ones that are on the market. That comes in this nice pouch. You've actually then got this big pouch which actually runs our shackles in it. So you've got one big 5.75 ton shackle, rated shackle, and then you got two of the 4.75 rated shackles, all in a nice handy vinyl pouch. You then got, start with this one, you've got our 10-ton 5-metre tree trunk protector. This has helped protect the trees when you're actually having to winch out of a nasty spot. And last but not least, our 10-ton 20-metre winch extension strap. These things are brilliant, super strong, go forever. So that's a quick rundown on our winch kit. These come as a winch kit and also a winch XD kit, which the XD kit comes with slightly bigger shackles to handle those bigger, heavier loads. So for pricing information and to find your closest dealer, head into outbackarmour.com.au.